If more fertiliser is spread on a field than the plants can absorb, the result is an excess of nitrogen, which pollutes our environment. A new smart farming method is meant to help reduce this problem.
Kamera 1 ist die normale Kamera der Drohne. Dann Kamera 2 ist die Multispektralkamera, die wir extra montiert haben. So using the multispectral images captured with a drone, we can observe and quantify the variability in the field and relate this information to the nitrogen nutrient status of the crop. So we can use this information to adjust the fertilizer application rates to the plant's needs in the different zones on the field during the season.
As nitrogen is also naturally supplied from the soil system, we need the information to better adjust the plant's needs to what is already provided by the soil. Soil samples are collected at the beginning of the season to assess the levels of plant-available nitrogen in the soil. In-season measurements of nitrate are also important to better synchronize plant demand and nitrogen supply. The result is a fertiliser application map which shows exactly how much fertiliser is needed by the plants in different zones of the field. This method is promising, which is why Agroscope and Swiss Future Farm are busy optimising it for the practice.